What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Crypto Babe, Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? It's What's Up Wednesday. Just here to give you guys a quick few updates. If you're here for the very first time, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Yeah, just a few, because all of our projects are going very smoothly. We don't have any issues and no drama going on, but just some quick updates really fast. All right, if you haven't checked out my crypto projects, the link is in the description. Go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. Check them out, see what I got going on, as well as our online digital programs. All right, so let's talk about it real quick. A friendly reminder. All right, so just reminding you cryptopreneurs that there is a virtual Visa debit card, a crypto virtual Visa debit card that you can get access to, guys. It doesn't cost you a dime. It's for the free 99. All right, so go get your card today. Go to the link in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info. All right, so we had to switch this thing off, and you just see the screen now. All right, so long as you can hear me, that's all that matters. All right, so that's just a friendly reminder on that. But let's see, again, everything is going pretty smooth, so I don't have any hiccups to report on. I love that. All right, so Spritz Finance, got that. Let's see what else. I want to just give you guys an update on 8-Bit, our new project that we recently got started in, and I'm giving you an update on this one because it's new. Okay, it's a new project and it's steady growing, the liquidity. So let me go here and see where we are with 8-Bit. Hang on here, hold on one second. All right, before I reveal this, oh my goodness, the TVL liquidity pool has really jumped up there. So this new project, yield farming 8-Bit, unlike typical ROI dApps, which use Ponzonomics to satisfy investor payments, 8-Bit Farm uses a series of unique crypto farming strategies to create real external revenue. The core team hand selects a portfolio of strategic concentrated liquidity pools, then farms them to generate fees, offering a dynamic approach to yield generation. All right, in simple terms, you can add investment capital to our 8-Bit liquidity pool. We deploy it across our strategic farming positions, and you receive your share of the profits in real time. Then at the end of the term, you selected your initial investment capital is returned to you. All right, so this one is pretty darn cool. I like what they got going on, but let's go over this real quick before I bring up the new total deposits they have. So over here are the here are the liquidity pools that they have. You can hire a farmer. So this one is closed the 50 days. They only have the 150 and the 250. This is a 7-day-a-week platform. Okay, make sure you're using risk capital before getting in any of these platforms. Okay, these crypto platforms, because they're all risky. All right, I'm not a financial advisor, not here to advise you. So please proceed with caution. All right. All right, so 150 days is 0.22% per day, 7 days a week. So your crypto will be locked into that plan, that term rather, for that time, and then it will be returned to you after 150 days at 0.22% per day. Then they have the 250-day liquidity provision at 0.33% per day. Okay, those are the two, and all you would do is come down here if you're interested. As you come here, they operate in USDT on the Binance exchange, right? You just put in your amount, hire your farmer right here. You're going to put the wallet address that referred you. All right, mine is in the description. So this is what you would put here, see it says wallet referral address, so make sure you copy and paste the wallet address here that referred you, and they're just showing you the amount you are investing, and this is your estimated daily rewards, 3.3% if you put 1,000 in crypto. Your estimated total is for 250-day return 1,825. So you're going to profit 825. Your 1,000 you're getting back, okay, at the end. So that's 1,825. But the profit you've earned is 825 in those 250 days. Then you come here, click I have read the terms and I accept the risks. You understand this is risky. So you click there, accept the terms, and boom, you will have yourself a new liquidity provision. Okay, so very simple plan that they have, and they don't deal with you know, the levels with most of the crypto programs out there. They deal in points. Okay, so it's a little bit different, but you can read over this at your leisure. All right, but you can get started here if you so choose to do so with one of these two liquidity provisions. So what I'm going to do is pull up this information. Hang on one second. Let me go here. Let me refresh my screen on my device here. As soon as this comes up, show you guys. I mean, they have really grown. Let's see. Let's take a look. All right, let's look. Wow, check it out, guys. 931,085 USDT. Shout out to 8-Bit. Awesome. I mean, this platform just recently got started, guys, and this is where they are. And I have, let's take a look. Look at my farms. It's going to refresh here in a second. I've got a few in here. I'm almost, okay, you see I've got 159 in there. I've got 4. They were all at the 0.4% per day because I got in when they had a promo, right? And so we've got 159, and you see my balance, my funds available is 20. Once it reaches 25, I'll be able to make a withdrawal. See, it says cash out, minimum withdrawal $25. You can also compound with a minimum with $20. Okay, you can compound as well, and once you compound, you start a new stake. Okay, so pretty cool stuff. So all 4 of mine are all at the 250 day term. Okay, so we're close to making our first withdrawal. All right, so that's 8-Bit going very well. So this is one you may want to check into, guys. All right, so that's our update on 8-Bit. I mean, amazing results. I can't get over how fast. I think they've been out, I don't know, 6 weeks, something like that. It's pretty new. I mean, really new, and they're almost at 1 million in liquidity. That's real quick, because StableSwap launched November 23 of last year, and they just hit 6 million. So these guys are really coming up fast. All right, so a lot of folks are interested in this, because I was interested because it's something different, but it's more on the stable side. It's not a hype. As you can see, these rewards that they're giving out, 0.33 and 0.22, more of a steady, slow earner. Okay. All right, so that is 8-Bit. All right, just want to talk about that real quick. Now, a next project that I've been in since 2016. Of course, we talked about it. I'm more running this in the background, but this absolutely is still working like a charm. So for my folks that want to be offline, you're not interested in marketing online necessarily, this program has been around 8 years. All right. So it allows you to earn and resell this program. You earn $300 commissions via money orders. Okay. So when the folks sign up, they're gonna send a money order in your name for $300, and then $198 in the company's name, and you get 250 postcards and 250 leads. That's a part of the starter kit. And after every 5th sale, the company gives you 500 free stamps, 500 free postcards, and 500 free leads. Or like what I've done lately is I've gotten a $200 bonus. Okay. Because I've got lots of cards. Okay, when I buy cards, I buy boxes of them. So I just let the company know that, hey, just go ahead and send me the $200. And that's what they did this week. So we had a $500 day because we had another person to come in with the $300. Then the company sent me the $200 because of my 5th sale. Over and over and over, every 5th sale, every time that rotates to that 5th sale, you can either get the 500 cards, 500 leads, 500 stamps, or that $200. Okay? Bonus. So again, this one's been running since 2016. So it'll be 300 plus 198 to get started, guys. And you get your own website like this. You can read over all this at your leisure. It'll have your name and number at the bottom of the page. Okay? And so now if you want to market this online, I'm going to come back this week and show you how you can do it online as well. All right. But for the folks that want to just go offline, Tycoon is a great way to do it. But we'll talk about online marketing because I do both. All right. But call this number and check it out. 857-957-1653. You can go directly to my page at www.thepostcarddiva.com and check out the Tycoon for offline marketing. And I made a video of this week. I'll put that link in the description. You can go check it out where I talk about it and show the payment coming in for this one. All right. So offline marketing is also a thing, and it's never going away. It was here way before the internet. You have to think about it. It's tons and tons of people that won't touch a computer. They don't care what you come out with. They would rather have something in the mail. They can read it. They'll go print out forms. They like flyers. They like letters, postcards. There is a audience for that as well. Okay. So this runs very good in the background. You can mail this and it doesn't interfere with what you're doing. If you're already an online marketer, this is perfect for that too, because you can just drop your cards in the mail and keep it moving. Right? Or you can come out and do a little social media and still drop your cards in the mail, and it won't interfere with any business that you got going on. All right, guys? So offline marketing is definitely a thing. All right? Now, let's go over here. So it's direct mail, direct sales offline. Okay, this one has a website. There's a lot of companies that don't have a website with their direct mail. You just have a flyer or a card. You have to mail everything in. That type of thing. So this is great. All right, so now let's see what else real quick. I told you it's going to be short because we don't have a lot of new updates that have taken place. Everything is running pretty smooth. Now, of course, our digital program. Hang on. Let's get over there. All right, and our digital program that we promote, our daily pay business that we have. Let's see, we've reached another milestone here with the community, digital growth community. Let's go over here. We actually have 24,000 members now. It was 23,000 and something the other day when I spoke to you guys. All right, so this thing is growing as well. Be sure to check your calendar. This is the other thing, guys. This is great. You want a home business, online business like this. This giving you everything step by step, all the training, okay, interactive training, the support. So what do we have going on here? So we had the tech Zoom today. All right, and then tomorrow we've got a training at 2, and we got a tech Zoom at on Thursday. That's tomorrow at 4 o'clock. Let's see, what was this one? Yeah, that was a tech call, question and answer. I mean, what programs give you this type of support, guys? All right. So that was a tech call, question and answer. Then they'll have the tech Zoom for folks that may have a question. They're trying to set up their system. That's at 4 o'clock tomorrow. And then we've got our other training at 2 o'clock. Okay, so this is definitely the type of program you want to get in, where you're getting the support that you need, mentoring, motivation, okay, to keep you going, guys. So all is well with this as well. If you want to check it out, it's also on the coffeeandcoins.info website. And I'll be sure to put a link in the description for the last webinar so you can check it out too. So if you want to start and build an online business, a digital marketing business, and get the training that you need to set it all up, to launch it, go to www.coffeeandcoins.info, or you can go directly to www.thecopypastemethod.com. Either way, you're good to go. Okay. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up. Just a quick update for you guys. All is running very smooth here. I've got a couple new things that I'm going to be talking about here in the next week or two, possibly sooner. A new program or project that I'm getting started in, but I gotta go through some things with it, and then I'll be bringing that out to you guys as well. So make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. And like the video for me, please, and thank you. Be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.